In this tutorial, you will learn how to program Airelectric's tow team warning system. The warning system comes in 3 basic configurations, with 4 wands, 8 wands, or 12 wands that program to the main unit. The unit we are programming today holds 4 wands. Before starting, make sure the removable lithium-ion battery is fully charged. Insert the lithium-ion smart battery into the main unit's power port. Power the unit on. Mute the system horn by silencing the alarm. You are now ready to begin the program sequence by following the complete program guide printed on the unit's faceplate. Start by pressing the black button 3 times, holding it down on the 3rd push. Next, press the red button twice, holding it down on the 2nd push. Wait for the green program LED to flash. Release the red button while still holding the black button down. From here, press each safety wand button, one at a time, until all wands have been received by the green program LED. 1 flash for the first wand, 2 flashes for the second wand, 3 flashes for the third wand, and 4 flashes for the final wand. Release the black button, and you are now out of programming mode. Double-check that your wands were received properly by activating the unit at each transmitter button, resetting the alarm each time. Allow at least a 5-second gap between activations. Congratulations, your wands are now programmed. Your system is ready to use.